morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter 8, sharing and reviewing of work spreadsheet. This chapter comes under the unit 2, that is electronic spreadsheet advanced. In this, today we will discuss how we can share and review a worksheet. Review a spreadsheet. In MS Excel, you have generally made some worksheets, but that is an individual worksheets. If you have made your one file, you can work on your on that file. If your friend has made a file, that he and she can work on his own file. But if a group of students wants to work on the same worksheets, if the members of a groups wants to work on a same worksheet and they want to share the worksheet with each other so that they can simultaneously can done some amendments, can done some updations in that one Excel sheet, then how they can meet? This can be possible by sharing the worksheet among the people. And how we can use this feature? In my today's video, we will discuss about that feature, that how we can share our one worksheet with the others. Here I have written, there is a shared drive in MS Excel. In MS Excel has one feature. By this drive, you can share your worksheet, you can share your workbook with all your friends, with all your colleagues, with all the members of your team. If number of the people working on a file at the same time, अगर एक ही टाइम पर बहुत सारे लोग उस फाइल पे वर्क कर रहे हैं, then by using this shared drive, उस शेयरिंग फीचर को यूज करके MS Excels के they are able to change the data in the same workbook. So they all can do the updations in the same workbook, in the same worksheet. So there is a shared drive. When we will make our worksheet in that shared drive, we will save our workbook in that shared drive, then that will be shareable by all the members of our teams, and all can do the updations, all can do the amendments, all can do some insertions in that files, and every other member can see that amendments, can see that insertion, can see that updations in that file. This file is possible by using a shared drive of MS Excel. So in my today's video, we will discuss these topics under this share and reviewing. In this video, we will discuss these topics. First is setting a spreadsheet for sharing, opening and saving it. How we can make our Excel sheet, how we can make our workbook shareable, and after sharing it, how everyone can open it and how everyone can save their changes in it. Next, how you can review the changes, how you can the changes which everyone has made, how you can record that changes, and how if you want to see who has done the changes that is done by a person, what are these changes. If you want to see separately the changes that are made by the members of your team, then how you can see that. And comparing and merging the workbook. If you want to compare to worksheets, workbook, if you want to merge to shareable workbook into one workbook, how you can do this. Next is adding and reviewing the comments, how you can add the comments and how you can see the comments in it. Today we will discuss this sharing and reviewing today we will discuss all the topics under this sharing and reviewing a spreadsheet. So I will make you clear all these things through a practical session. There are some steps that you have to follow. After that, you will be able to share a workbook. But for this, the internet connection is must. There should be an internet connection if you want to share your workbook with all other friends. But today we are doing the practical without any internet connections. I am telling you the steps, that how you can save it and how you can share it. After sharing, how you can open it, how you can review the changes, and how if you want to add some comments, how you can add some commands. Let's come with me for the practical session of this topic. Yes students, welcome to the practical session. Now I have opened a worksheet that we have already made. Its name is analyzing the data in a spreadsheet. This worksheet we have made in my last week videos, and now today we are going to share it. How we can share it? Firstly, you have to save your file in a network location. If your pieces are shareable with each other, then there will be the network location. Then you have to save your file in a network location, then you can share it, and your internet connection should be on. And after saving your file in the internet location, in the network location, and after starting your network connection, how you can share it? We will go on this review tab. We will click on this review tab. Then you will go in this changes group. In this changes group, you will have to clear on this share workbook. When you will click on this share workbook, it will show a dialog box that is called the share workbook. In this, there is a tab editing and advanced. Then we will click on this editing tab. It will show allow changes by more than one user at the same time. This also allows workbook merging. It means if you want to merge 2 or 3 workbook into a one workbook, सपोज कि एक वर्कबुक आपने बनाई है, एक आपके फ्रेंड ने बनाई है, एंड यू वांट टू मर्ज ऑल दैट वर्कबुक, एंड इफ वन हैज़ मेड सम चेंजेस इन वर्कबुक दैट शुड बी shown to everyone, and everyone can do any changes in it, then you have to click this option. अगर आप ये सब चाहते हैं, then you have to click this option. And after that there is who has this workbook open now. अभी किसने open किया? Administrator ने open की है, and I am sharing this workbook. Then I will click on OK. This section will now save the workbook. Do you want to continue? Yes. अब जैसे ही मैंने इसको शेयरेबल बना दिया, इसके बाद ये आपको एक आइकन शो कर, आपको कैसे पता लगेगा कि दैट वर्कबुक इज शेयरेबल? When at the title bar its name is showing that is analyzing the data in a spreadsheet, then you can see it is showing it is shared. Now this is the shared workbook. After following these steps, you can share your workbook clearly. After that, there is how you can open and save a shared workbook. आपको कैसे ओपन करना है? आपको नेटवर्क लोकेशन में जाना है, आपको इस फाइल को सर्च करना है, सर्च करने के बाद डबल क्लिक करना है, देन इट विल बी ओपन, एंड दिस इज ऑलरेडी शेयरेबल. देन इट विल शो एन message to you that the spreadsheet is in a shared mode. When your workbook is in a shared mode, please keep in mind कि कुछ features इसमें नहीं चलेंगे. Some features will not be available in this shared mode. After that, you will click and the file will be open to you. Click. ओके, अगर आपने कुछ चेंजेस कर लिए हैं, उसके बाद वो चेंजेस आप इसमें सेव करना चाहते हो, then simple thing we have to follow, like again file and then save. It will be saved. Please keep in mind, please keep this thing in your mind that when you save the spreadsheet, और अगर आपने कोई चेंजेस नहीं किए हैं, इट विल बी सेव्ड. बट इफ सम चेंजेस इज मेड बाय यू एंड सम चेंजेस इज मेड बाय अनदर पर्सन एंड बोथ आर कन्फ्लिक्ट विद ईच अदर, देन इट विल शो अ वन डायलॉग बॉक्स दैट इज नोन एज द रिजॉल्व कन्फ्लिक्ट. रिजॉल्व कन्फ्लिक्ट में इट विल शो द चेंजेस मेड बाय यू एंड मेड बाय योर फ्रेंड, और जो भी आप दोनों ने मिलके म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग से जो आपको एक्सेप्ट करने हैं, यू कैन से दैट एक्सेप्ट माइन and then okay, then that changes will be saved in it. This is the simple method that how you can make your worksheet shareable, then how you can open it, and then how you can save the changes in it. Next is record the changes. Who has made the changes? If you want to make a record of it, then how you can make a record of it? Record के लिए again we will go on the review tab. Then you have to click in this track changes. Track changes में highlight the changes. It will highlight the changes. This highlight dialog box will be highlight changes dialog box will be opened. This also share your workbook. Highlight with changes when, ये कब हुए, who किसने किए, where कहाँ कहाँ पर इस sheet में चेंजेस हुए हैं, इट विल शो दिस यू, देन यू विल प्रेस ऑन ओके, इट विल ट्रैक योर चेंजेस. कुछ चेंजेस हुए नहीं, सो इट इज शोइंग मी नो चेंजेस वर फाउंड विद द स्पेसिफाइड प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, मैंने तो कोई चेंजेस किए नहीं. आई एम टेलिंग यू द स्टेप्स एंड यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस स्टेप्स एंड यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दिस स्टेप्स, दैट हाउ यू कैन सेव योर वर्कबुक and how you can track the changes in it. Clear? Next thing is review the changes. When you receive a document back with changes, you can step through each changes and decide whether to accept it or not it. Review means आप एक एक स्टेप को चेक करेंगे और चेक करेंगे कि किसको आपको एक्सेप्ट करना है और किसको आपको रिजेक्ट करना है. How you can do this? For example, if you want to keep track of the changes, that you want to accept the changes that is made by the another person, and if you want to reject the changes, then you have to click on this accept and this. Now it will show this dialog box, select changes to accept or reject, when, who and where. जहाँ भी change है आपने accept करना है तो okay कर दो, नहीं करना है तो reject कर दो उसको. This is the way to select, accept and reject the changes. Next is adding and compare the workbook options. अगर आप एक दूसरी वर्कबुक को अपनी वर्कबुक में मर्ज करना चाहते हो, बट बोथ वर्कबुक शुड बी शेयरेबल, देन इट विल बी मर्ज, अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट बी मर्ज. So I am telling you the steps how you can do this. For merging it, there will be the one options, that is compare and merge workbook option. How you can use this option, how you can allow this option? Click on this file, then go on this option, then option dialog box will be opened, then select the quick access toolbar. हमने quick access toolbar में ये option को add करना है. Then you will find and select the compare and the merge workbook. Compare and merge. Sorry, यहाँ पे आओगे, you will choose ऑल कमांड ऑप्शंस. पहले हम यहाँ पे जाएंगे ऑल कमांड ऑप्शंस पे, चूज कमांड्स फ्रॉम, देन यू विल क्लिक ऑन ऑल कमांड ऑप्शन. देन अंडर दिस यू विल सर्च द ऑप्शंस, दैट इज सी पे आएगा, दैट इज कंपेयर एंड मर्ज द वर्कबुक. कम टू द सी, कंपेयर एंड मर्ज द वर्कबुक. This option is here. Compare and merge book option. You will click on this options, then you will click on this add option, then that will be added in your quick access toolbar. क्योंकि देखो here it is showing quick access toolbar, it is showing save, undo and redo button, and then you will click on this add, and then it will, this button will also be added, then click on this OK button. Now you can see on the quick access toolbar it is showing that save button, undo, redo button, and that is the compare and merge workbook. Click on this. आपको जो भी फाइल आपने मर्ज करनी है, you will give the file name of this and the path of here, search on this and click on open. But as I will click on this open, suppose I am adding this class 6 Excel sheet, okay, it will show you message. Class 6 Excel sheet cannot be merged in the current workbook. Workbook to be merged must be copied made from the shared workbook and must all maintain the change history for a sufficient amount of time. कि जो भी दो एक्सेल शीट को आप ऐड कर रहे हो दोनों ही क्या होनी चाहिए, शेयरेबल होनी चाहिए, तभी आप मर्ज कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज यू कांट मर्ज इट क्लियरली. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ यू कैन ऐड द कमांड्स, add the comments to any cell. Okay, if you will click on any cell and you want to add the comments, how you will do this? Go on the review tab, go on the comment group, then click on the new comment. As the you can see new comments, it's here. आप हर सेल के लिए कि ये सेल किस लिए यूज हुआ है, what is the purpose of that cell, if you want to give some notes, you want to give some commands, you can add it. हमने लिख दिया ये किस लिए था, दिस वॉज द प्राइस, आई हैव रिटन प्राइस, दिस वॉज, इस पे कमेंट डाल रही हूँ, दैट वॉज द क्वांटिटी, क्लियर. तो देखिए इट इज शोइंग द रेड icon here at the top right corner that there is a comment, here also there is a comment. तो आप if you want to show all the comments, then again go to this and click on this show all comments, it will show all the comments to you. Is it clear that how you can add a comment and how you can view a comment? यही कि show all comments पे आप क्लिक कर दोगे, it will show all the comments. अगर show all पे नहीं क्लिक करते हो तो ये रेड एरो जो आ रहा है वहाँ जाकर जस्ट जाओ एंड यू कैन डू दिस चेंजेस. नेक्स्ट इज if you want to do some changes in your command, click on the cell on which you want to change some comments, then it is showing the comments, then again go on the review tab, it is showing the edit command. Edit command में जाके आप इसमें price 1 लिखना था, then I am writing the price 1. तो by this you can change it, you can edit your comment also. So in today's lecture we have discussed about how we can share a workbook या worksheet, how we can open and save a shared workbook, how we can record our changes, या how you can track the changes, how you can compare and merge the workbook, and next how you can add the comments, how you can view the comments, how you can editing our comments also. So this was all about my today's chapter, that was sharing and reviewing a spreadsheet. Now in today's lecture we will discuss how we can use a macros in a spreadsheet. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.